Proportions. Okay, so we're going to do for proportions, you're going to cross multiply. So what that means is you're going to take the diagonals and multiply them together. Some people call it cross multiplication. Some people call it butterfly. And the reason why it looks like that, kind of looks like a butterfly. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then equals 2 times x gives me 2x. And then now we just have one more step. So I divide by 2 on both sides. Whoops. And then now I just have 12 divided by 2 is 6 equals x. And then that's it. So that was just kind of a simple one. And then you might also see this. 1 for 2 equals. Okay. So for this one, you're still going to cross multiply, but then you're also going to end up using the distributive property. So I'm going to take these two things, and then it's going to be 5 parentheses 2x plus 1 equals, and I'm going to take these two, and then 2x plus 2. Okay. So now, like we were talking about before, is you're going to have to distribute whatever's on the outside of the parentheses. So I'm going to do 5 times whatever's on the inside. So 5 times 2x gives me a 10x. 5 times 1 gives me a plus 5 equals, I have 2 times x gives me 2x. And then I have 2 times 2 gives me 4. So now we just went over, the last video was variables on both sides. So again, everything's building. So what that means is we want the variable on one side and everything else on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and just subtract 2x from both sides. That goes away. So 10x minus 2x gives me 8x plus 5 equals 4. So I'm going to get rid of this and rewrite this at the top because I write kind of big. So 8x plus 5 equals 4. Okay, so now I just have 2 steps left. Subtract 5 from both sides. And then 8x equals -1. And then divide both sides by 8. X equals -1 over 8. And we are allowed to get fractions. So that's proportions. Cross multiply, you may end up having to do distributive property and then having a big multi-step equation. And that's it.